So about to set off and start of a day 6. Had an easy day yesterday. Went down to Aberystwyth, ice cream on the beachfront. It was really quite a chill day, but we needed it big time. But today, heading off towards Raider, and once we leave the campsite, we're really not going to see any civilization until we arrive at the B&B we're staying in tonight. And then hopefully joined by Ian and set off on the rest of the adventure. A bit refreshed now, so hopefully it'll be a good day out in the wilderness. So take care. Speak to you soon.
Day 427 in Eastern Transylvania. We haven't seen hide or hair of humanity for the last 7.5 weeks. Last night Mr. Mosley went out to the toilet and hasn't been seen since, but thankfully he left us his jelly babies and his cappuccino sachets, so we should be okay for another week.
This video, but unfortunately there was an error in the camera, so we don't actually have any footage today, but take it as read that I fell off a lot, we pushed our bikes a lot, and it was generally a hard and rubbish day. So to make it a bit better and a bit more interesting, here's now a shot of some cute penguins.